Do you want to work in a regulated pharmaceutical company? Then you must understand what CSV is. Today on Pharmalytics, I'm breaking down computer system validation in simple terms following the global standard, GAMP 5. So, what is CSV? CSV stands for Computer System Validation. It's a process used in the pharmaceutical industry to ensure that software, hardware, and computerized systems perform consistently and reliably, as intended. Put simply, CSV is documented evidence that a system works as expected and complies with regulations. Why is CSV important in pharma? In this industry, patient safety and data integrity are everything. If a computer system fails, your batch records test results or manufacturing data can be compromised. That's why regulations like US FDA's 21 CFR Part 11 EU GMP Annex 11 and WHO all require validation of computerized systems. A failed CSV can mean regulatory non-compliance, data loss, or even product recalls. To simplify CSV, I follow GAMP 5, Good Automated Manufacturing Practice, published by ISPE. GAMP 5 uses a risk-based approach, focusing more effort on systems that impact product quality and patient safety. The key principles: product and process understanding, lifecycle approach, scalable validation, risk management, and leveraging supplier involvement. GAMP 5 also classifies systems based on complexity and use, from simple spreadsheets to complex ERP systems like SAP. Think infrastructure like operating systems in Category 1, MS. Excel in Category 3, configured systems like LIMS in Category 4, and custom software in Category 5. Remember, CSV isn't just testing, it's a full life cycle, planning, risk assessment, requirements, and design testing like IQ, OK, PQ, and of course, documentation and review. Here's a real-world warning. In 2023, the FDA issued a warning letter because a pharma company failed to validate their LIMS system. Regulators take CSV seriously. To wrap up, CSV ensures computerized systems are reliable and compliant. Follow GAMP 5 for a risk-based, lifecycle approach. And always remember, if it's not documented, it didn't happen. Was this video helpful? Like, share with your pharma friends, and subscribe to Pharmalytics for more weekly pharma insights. Comment below if you want a video on 21 CFR Part 11 or Annex 11 next.